so sexy. I mean, look at this, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm styling one of the most versatile wardrobe staple. Ta-da! Beige trouser. Most of the times we pair our beige trouser with black, white, and brown. But today I am going to pair it with different colored tops. Yes, you heard it right. I want to see which combo works best. Whether you are looking for casual chic, trendy outfit ideas, well, I got you covered. So without any further delay, let's get started and find the perfect match like shadi.com. So first one is this baby, no, it's powder blue top. It's powder blue top. Yes. वैसे हमारे यहाँ तो इसको स्काई ब्लू बोल देते हैं, but for YouTube videos I have to थोड़ा. So this is powder blue top. So I ordered it to pair it with my beige trouser, and let's see how it looks. I am super excited. चलो चलो देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. This is our first combination of. मुझे भी लगा था पहले कि ये स्काई ब्लू कलर है, बट नो, इट्स नॉट. इट्स मिंट ग्रीन. मैं तो स्काई ब्लू ही बोलने वाली हूँ. सो या, तो बेसिकली इट्स अ मिंट ग्रीन एसिमेट्रिकल टॉप, ऐसा उसमें लिखा था. तो या, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पेयर, फर्स्ट combo, which looks like this. This top is, I'm in love with this top. This is literally giving me a chic vibe, and the color combination is really, perfect. I believe this is looking, like very. So you can carry this look casually, and if you're going for date or something, for coffee, like coffee date, casual outings, girly outings, girls' day, brunch, dinner. You can carry this outfit anywhere. And for parties also, it's a good option if you are really a trouser person. Like I am literally a trouser person. So this is a very good combination for me, and this is a go-to combination for me and go-to look for me, which I definitely want to carry if I go somewhere on a casual date or something. So this is actually giving me a chic vibe. You can see the design of the top, like it is so perfect looking. This is looking very sexy, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, you have to rate it out of 10. So let me see कि आप क्या number देते हैं इस pair को. So this is the look you can see. Yeah. I hope कि आपको अच्छा लगा हो ये look. So do let me know in the comments how do you like it. So let's go for the next one. So yeah, this gray off-shoulder floral print top with beige trouser. It's basically giving me a feminine vibe, and the sleeves is loose. ये मुझे loose है actually. I don't know why. This is exactly my size, but still it's loose. So yeah. So this is our another pair, gray with beige. This is a floral top I ordered. So this is also a casual fit. You can carry it. You can carry it formally also, and this is good for outings, normal, casual outings. You can carry this look, and this off shoulder sleeves is giving me a chick vibe also at the same time. The detailing of the top, you can see. So this is the whole look. So do let me know how do you like it, and how much do you how much will you rate it out of 10? Do let me know. Is this looking good on me, or for which occasion will you choose this look, this go-to look? For which occasion will you choose? Do let me know in the comments. And how do you like the fit and the combo, the color combination, pairing? Do let me know. And let's go for the next one. Hey Pookies! So this combo is for all the Pookies out there. Pink and beige. This look goes everywhere. Definitely. Party, date, casual outing, movie, brunch, anywhere you can carry this look. And you just, yeah, this is the full look you can see. Okay, so rate this one, rate this pair out of 10. I also want to know how do you like it. I know it took your heart. All the cookies gonna love it. I know, I know, I know. So look at this color combination, guys. I mean, it's so classy. The combination is such. It's giving me a, like classy formal vibes. Just you can carry it for your office, and you can carry it casually too. So this is the perfect mix of earthy and elegant tone. I am in love with this seriously. I am in love with this combo. You can see. Favorite girly pair, lavender and beige. I know, girls, you couldn't resist yourself to try this pair. I know. The thing is, the top is very loose for me. I don't know how. And this is the whole look for this. I don't know how this is actually looking because the top is very loose from here. Pair is perfect for feminine yet classy outfit. Lavender is such a soft and dreamy color, and when combined with beige, just elegant and effortlessly chic. I, for me, it's okay, okay. It's a casual look. Okay, so last but not the least, mustard yellow top with beige trouser. So at first I thought कि ये उतना ज़्यादा, मतलब मुझे लगा था कि उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but I think कि उतना ज़्यादा बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है. It is like fine. It is not good, not bad. It's, I feel it's a good combination if you want to carry. I'm not so sure about this one, so yeah, you will tell me how it is looking. And it's like it's the top is a little bit revealing here, so I just wrap it around. So this is the only top I found in like mustard yellow color. So yeah, this is the whole look you can see. And now you will tell me how is this looking, and how much do you rate it out of 10, and for which occasion this pair is a perfect fit. So this one is my last pair. So hope you like this video. Maybe it will be helpful for you all. रहती थी क्या pair करूँ क्या pair करूँ. Always I wear it with white, black or brown, and I go out with beige. So I thought to pair with some other colors and see how this looks. So I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो या आपकी हेल्प करे. मे बी आपको कुछ स्टाइलिंग आइडियाज मिले हो कि आप बेज के साथ और भी कलर या आउटफिट को आप पेयर कर सकते हैं. सो मेरा यही पर्पस था ये वीडियो बनाने का. सो इफ़ यू वांट अ पार्ट 2, I am also like, if you want a part 2, do let me know in the comment section. Like I have more colors which we can pair with this beige trouser. So if you want a part 2, definitely I will bring a part 2. But please do like my video, do subscribe my channel, एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्यार दीजिए आप अपनी इस वीडियो पे. मैं ऐसे और भी वीडियोस आते रहूँगी एंड लाती रहूँगी. एंड बाय द वे इट इज़ माय फर्स्ट वीडियो, सो अगर कुछ भी थोड़ी बहुत लाइक मेरे प्रोनाउंसिएशन में या मेरे बोलने में कुछ भी गलती हुई हो या मैं कहीं नर्वस फील हो रही हूँ आपको, तो डेफिनेटली मैं हो सकती हूँ क्योंकि दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड आई एम मेकिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो मे बी मेरे से कुछ गलती हुई हो, so please do ignore all those. And yeah, please do like my video, do subscribe my channel, and show me a lot of love. I will bring these kind of videos बहुत जल्दी जल्दी तो नहीं, but yeah, definitely I will try to bring more such videos which will be helpful in your styling, fashion and everything. So yeah, and yeah, so bye bye, take care, love you all, bye.